all what I would request from you is just be more compassionate and just be more humanitarian in this entire approach. The very fact that there is no escalation in whatever we are projecting, because there is a very robust model at the grassroots level, wherein as our Special Chief Secretary Agriculture, as she's already mentioned, there is an RBK at every village itself, which actually handles the e-cropping. So every acre of land is e-cropped, and social audit is, so it's already displayed for social audit also. And every farmer is given a physical and a digital acknowledgement also on e-cropping. So wherever the damage is taken place, it is clearly marked mapped with the e-cropping, and also displayed for social audit at the RBK level itself. So this being the situation, so there is no escalation in whatsoever. Whatever is there, it is reality. Whatever damage that is taken place, and as our finance secretary, principal finance secretary, Mr. Rawat is also pointing out, the SDRF funds have depleted. Any ad hoc replacement of these funds would give tremendous amount of fillip to the ongoing works, because everything requires resources. And for us to kickstart any big activity, it would require funds. So that ad hoc replacement of ad hoc replenishment of funds into SDRF would help us substantially. And coming back to suggestions that have been made by the central team in connection to the long-term measures that we are to be also considering this the changes what are taking place in the climatic situations globally also. Yes, we have in fact recently we had undertaken such a study, in fact, where we've improving the canal systems to discharge more water capacity. The water gauges, automatic water gauging system is also being planned. And of course, all these our people will, our secretary.
We are concerned about the loss of life, particularly in Kadapa district, and the huge loss of agricultural lands. And we went to those villages where people are in distress. Then a lot of loss of animal husbandry, infrastructure losses have been tremendous. So we appreciate the memorandum and also the details. Now, I should, at the onset, before I go into the details about the observations of the team, I think, sir, under your leadership, the state is doing a very extremely commendable job, sir. Extremely commendable job. You have a very dedicated principal secretary who traveled 7 hours to be with us on the first day, and the commissioner, and the three deputy commissioners, outstanding work, particularly the Kadapa deputy commissioner. I can place it on record. He's doing a terrible, very, very, very intense job. I think they have not slept for weeks. So you've got a very brilliant team of young and dynamic officers in the field. And we keep visiting all these disasters. Unfortunately, we have to take care of this. So our eyes are full of disaster, but this is being handled extremely well. We have also met all the, we were encountered by so many media houses and all the different political parties and all that. So, but everybody is appreciative about what this state is doing. So having said that, I think my initial remarks are that this is predominantly, this is not a classical flood situation as we see, as we define classical flood in the context of floods of Assam or Bihar or Uttar Pradesh. This is basically the system not being ready to get so much water is what we see, because whether it's Kadapa or Chittoor, they are all known for semi-arid region. So if a semi-arid region receives so much rainfall, that would lead to the system being not ready to receive so much water. And the system was already full with the rainfalls of 6th and 12th of November. So it was saturated. The moment more rainfall happened on 18th and 19th, the whole river systems and the dam systems were not ready to receive so much water. So it is not a extremely classical flood, but the impact on the sides of the rivers, both sides of the rivers, almost 2-3 kilometers on both sides of the rivers, and streams also. Embankments have failed. Most of them are earthen dams and earthen structures. They are not made for this kind of rain. So that is, we have seen that. I think, particularly Nellore, yesterday we were in Nellore. Nellore is used to taking cyclones, but I think this problem is, and this is a global problem because we were in Glasgow. I was negotiating loss and damage for the country in Glasgow in climate change. So this is going to be repetitive in the sense that the non-water areas would receive more water and watered areas will receive less water. So that is going to be reality. So you'll have to, at the end, I'll give some suggestions also, sir.